India's highest plateau, Ladakh, has extremely scarce vegetation and faces oxygen deficiency. Whatever natural vegetation occurs, it's along watercourses and on high altitudes, although it perishes during harsh winters. Human settlements, however, have rich vegetation. The Sankalp Taru Foundation has its credentials in working in the Thar, India's hottest desert. Therefore, we took upon ourselves the task to greenify India's coldest desert, Ladakh too. As a result, in 2014, we initiated Project Green Leh Ladakh. The project aimed at planting fruit-bearing saplings in the region to increase greenery and also support the farmers since their source of livelihood is extremely limited. Since the roads remain closed during winters due to heavy snowfall for almost 4 months, it becomes a matter of importance to transport the saplings to the destination ahead of time. The Sankalp Taru Forest Force SFF takes upon this Herculean journey of shipping the saplings from our headquarters in Dehradun to Ladakh via Zojila, the mountain pass of blizzards. These young saplings are then kept in bunkers for preservation from November till the onset of spring in April. As the spring sets in, the snow starts melting and the weather starts retaining moisture. These tiny saplings are then taken out of these bunkers and transported to farmers' fields for plantation. With careful and diligent work of Sankalp Taru on-ground team and the farmers, several green orchards of apples and apricots have grown on the cold and arid lands which were once barren. The Sankalp Taru Foundation has carefully chosen the regions that are in want of help for plantation. One of the villages, Wanla, Khalsi Tehsil, in Leh district of Ladakh, was badly affected by the 2015 flash floods, which caused extreme damage to lands and properties of the villagers. Soon after, the Sankalp Taru Foundation pledged to help these farmers, who not only lost their homes but also fields which were their only source of income. One of the flash flood affected farmers, Sonam Wangchuk, had lost his fields located next to a stream. The Sankalp Taru Foundation helped him reclaim his field and convert it into a lush green orchard. We planted fruit-bearing saplings of apples and apricots on his land in 2017. Slowly and gradually, with the hard work of our team and Sonam, along with the healing touch of Mother Nature, these saplings have grown into healthy and mature trees, greening Sonam's land. In 2020, these trees are yielding fruits of apples and apricots, adding to Sonam's income.
Kasanole, the Machiwana Yolale, Sankalp Taru Kong Scooting Chinese Tenelo, Hatubisana, Kushilatuma Yalasale, the Tampora Chadina Pertua, Gomasas, the Dopertuna, Tenacha Sunjimana, Antapodis, Teleconlan, Sunjidi Kayan, Sial, Suagana, Yantajin, Lamandas Yot, Sicilica, Loga Perchuchi, La Tenchet, Do Mayala on the Lotony, Scapamira, Lucia Sici on the Lule, the Sankalp Taru Scooting Macon, Machasana, Sintapana Tuchi and the Casaju.
Many farmers like Sonam Wangchuk are extremely happy with our help and support. Here's what Cheteng Yangdol has to say to us.
Sankalp Taru Choganacha Kushu Mango Salole, Koha Kushu Sarchas Platuvije Che Nonole Jule.
They have begun harvesting the apples and apricots from their lands, ready to sell in the market. Till date, more than 35,000 trees have been planted in the region and have transformed into green patches. In sync with our motto, we got extra miles to make sure that not only the trees survive, but their fruits add towards the betterment of livelihoods of the farmers. With your contributions, we have also installed solar dryers for our farmer beneficiaries. These Ladakh dried apricots, straight from the farmers' lands, are sent as goodies to our donors. It takes a lot of efforts to plant and maintain the survival of trees in Ladakh. And it would never have been possible without the contributions from each one of you. We have a long way to go in adding exciting programs for the people of Ladakh. During Diwali, we are going to send books and toys for the children. If you wish to contribute for the same, please write to us at vishy@sankalptaru.org. In order to further keeping on with our mission, we request your support. Keep planting with us for Project Green Leh Ladakh at www.sankalptaru.org.